So here's the V6. Notice the grill and the bumper, but what's under the hood? So here it is, guys. Here's the project. Now, that was not me. That was here on the car. Some rinkety-dinkety wheels with tire treads. So this is going to change the trunk and the wing. Wheels are going to change. Fenders are going to change. Wheel also going to change. And front and rear bumpers are going to change. So this won't really matter. And that's about it. Interior is going to change. And that's it, folks. This is the project to come. Alright guys, so this is the car. So let's check out what's under the hood, because this is very important. It's not a V6. Anyway, so this is what we have going in the car. Got to get it bolted up, harnessed up right. Got the power steering to deal with. A couple of things to take care of, and most importantly, the next thing is to take care of the ECU. I've got a spare one. Gonna use it with a buddy to get that set up and powered on so I can get the strategy. I'm gonna be seeing my buddy Moose hopefully later, and then we're gonna just plug it in and get it ready to go. Then we're gonna get a tune from our buddy Lido, and then we should be on our way. All right guys, so now that you know what's potentially in the engine bay and what's going in this one, got a couple of things to take care of this week. So spark plugs, kind of important. Got the battery, which is sitting right there. Spare alternator, old harness, mufflers, good. And a couple other things, and then we'll be squared away to get this thing rocking and rolling. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video this week, guys. Stay tuned, got some more stuff gonna have to deal with, and that's about it. That's all she wrote. Stay up to date, remember to subscribe down below, and have a great day.
Say bye-bye.